Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Algorithm Mind. My name is Asan Khurram and in this channel I teach programming skills in Python, MATLAB and R programming. I also teach Tableau, a data visualization tool as well. I produce tutorials on data science and data analysis where I teach you about the theoretical concept as well as practical programming skills. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. So for today's tutorial, which is on Tableau, we are going to solve a specific problem. And here is the problem we are going to solve on Tableau. The requirements are such that we need to create a tabular view with 3 columns, okay? And the first column would be a category, the second column would be a subcategory, and the third column will be a sum of sales for the respective subcategory falling in a specific category. But here's the twist. We need to create a sorting drop-down menu so where the user will be able to select either we want to sort those subcategories either on ascending or descending order. So it will be select based on the drop-down menu we will provide in Tableau. And you can see the sort subcategories by sum, ascending and descending as per selection in drop-down menu. Please note that the subcategory need to be sorted here across all categories. So what we are going to do, let me head back to Tableau. So basically, first of all, we are going to create a parameter that will allow us to have a drop-down menu, and based on that drop-down menu we can select ascending or descending. Then we will clear a calculated field where we will write a bit about SQL code, so that our parameter can do its job, that is sorting the subcategories in ascending and descending order. And finally we are going to implement that logic on sorting algorithm. So that's it. Let's so first of all, what you need to do is to pick dimension product category and drop it on rows self. And now you can see that we have 3 categories that are the unique elements that are present in the product category. Now the second thing you need to do is to drop down product subcategory in the row self right next to product category. Now you can see that we have a column for product category and a column for product subcategory. Let me change the font so it might be more visible to you. That's it. So we have 2 columns. The first column is the product category and the second column is the respective product subcategory. Now in order to bring the sum of sales, we are going to pick the measure sales and drop it on the text card here. Now we have generated a tabular view where we can see the total sum amount of sales for each subcategory falling within a product category: furniture, office supplies and technology. Now let's move on to our mission where we are able to sort these values right here by selecting a drop down menu. Either we want to sort it as an ascending order or either we want to sort it in descending order. That being said, so first thing we need to do is go over to your data plane, right click and go to create and go to parameter. Okay, so let me repeat that again. Go to your data plane, right click, go to create and go to parameter. Now name this create newly created parameter something like short values and change its type from float to string and click on list here. Now you need to add 2 values to it. The first one is ascending, the second one is descending. So I'm going to create a value here named ascending. The second one I'm going to create is called descending. So I have created a parameter and have input two input values, ascending and descending. Let me just click on OK. Now you can see our parameter has been created. We can show that parameter on our worksheet by clicking on this parameter here, right click and click on show parameter. Now you can see that it's visible on our worksheet with the option ascending and descending, but right now it's not doing anything. It is just there for the display purpose. Now we are going to link this drop down menu to sorting of these values, either ascending or descending. So how we are going to do that? We are going to create a calculated field right now. So I'm going to data plane, then I'm going to go to create, then I'm going to use create field. Here is it. Name things like as sort by name it by something that you can remember. And now we are going to write a SQL code here. So first we are going to write a sorting code here. If we are going to write the parameter values, here's it, is equal to ascending. Then sort sales. Okay. Else sorted by negative sales, and at the end you will hit end, and I will click OK. So we have a measure variable here, calculated field, which is sorted by sales. Now the only thing we need to do is go to this product subcategory capsule in the row shelf and right click it, and then go to sort. Okay, now here you need to click drop down and click on field. Now here it will ask you by what field you actually want to sort these values on. So we are going to go and select our calculated field, which we have just recently created, which is named by sort by sales. So here it is. So that's it. It will be sorted based on the what value we are choosing in this drop down menu. Now it's in ascending. If I change to descending, now you see that the values are being changed for descending order. So that's how you can actually implement this strategy in Tableau and solve this question, which was given to us to create a tabular view with 3 columns where the categories might be sorted either on ascending or descending order based on the drop down option we select from the worksheet. So that's how you can actually create that logic. I hope this tutorial have been helpful to you. If you like this tutorial, I request you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon button. I will be soon posting more videos regarding Tableau tutorial, where I will teach you about the basics as well as give you some advanced skills in Tableau. That's it for now, and I will catch you soon in the next video.